Hey guys, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I'm very, very excited because I have a gorgeous, beautiful beaded Sari kit for you guys, and I'm so excited about this. I've been able to source out some beautiful pieces, and then I've added a few pieces that I thought would go with it, and I'm very excited about sharing this with you. So let me get started. You can see all this gorgeousness here. So let me just move this aside for a minute. And with each kit, and I did share these on social media, I will be gifting you guys one of my handmade boho beads. So I'm just going to zoom in. This is one that I made and I posted on my Facebook. And it's got a beautiful heart charm on the bottom. Each one will have some kind of a charm on the bottom. Each bead will be different that you get in your kit, but you will get one of my handmade beads in the kit. So let me start off with the first piece here, and I absolutely love this. This is a gorgeous piece of beaded trim, and I'm going to share with you how long these beads are. Let me see here. These beads are 9 inches from the top of the bead. The whole trim is 10.5 inches. There's 10 rows of these bead dangles on here. These are gorgeous faceted beads. You can see how beautiful they are. Let me get these ones at the bottom for you here. Beautiful black and gold beads. And they are so sparkly in person. I wish that I could find a way to share that sparkliness with you guys, but they're absolutely stunning. You can cut this trim and just have one bead at a time, or you can, use the whole piece on a project. It would be a statement piece for sure. So it has this really pretty braided piece at the top, which you could cut off and use on something else if you wanted. There's lots of things you can do with these. You can take this apart if you want and use the beads on something else. These would easily be cut off and then you'd have all these beads. So there's lots you can do with this piece. I absolutely love the colors together, the black and the gold. So gypsy, so beautiful. I absolutely love this. So everybody's going to get one of those. And I'm also including some gorgeous silk sari trim. There's 2 yards of that, and it's in a very soft white color. So you can dye this any color you like. Use your sprays, avocado dye it. You can do the purple cabbage like I shared on my live. You can do anything with this. It takes the color beautifully. It's a gorgeous soft silk that is 100% silk. It's beautiful. So there's 2 yards of that. There is 1 yard of this gorgeous black lace that I have had for a while. This is vintage. And I just thought I would give you guys a yard and share that with you. Now, on to the amazing, beautiful beaded pieces. There is some heavily embroidered pieces, there's beaded pieces, and then there's just silk pieces. So there's a really good mixture and collection here for you guys. So first we have this piece, which I will try and bring them up to the camera so you can see. This has rhinestones in it, and I have shared pieces of this in my last kit. It's absolutely stunning and beautiful. So there's that piece. I have this piece, which has, I'll just fix that little thread. Whoever gets this kit, not to worry, I will fix that thread. That happens with beads. This beautiful piece with all these sequins and rhinestones on it. Just going to turn them that way. This is a piece of beautiful orange tulle. It's like a pumpkin color, and then on the bottom it has this really pretty braided trim with all these little kind of gold rhinestones on them. It's so pretty. So sparkly. I hope that the camera picks up the sparkle in that. It's just beautiful. So there's that piece. There is this piece of beautiful gold and silver silk sari. I'm giving you a very long piece. I'll tell you how long the pieces are. Let me measure this. This would be probably 18, 19 inches long, almost 20 inches this piece is. I'll just leave my ruler out in case I need it. But again, this is some beautiful sari trim. Look at these sequins. Just stunning. Look at the sparkle, you guys. I so love this piece. So pretty. So there's a nice big piece of that for you. There is some more of the orange tulle, but this has purple rhinestones on it. And there's a nice big piece of that with all the little purple rhinestones on it. Super fun to do something with that. This piece I absolutely love. It's similar to this piece with the same pattern, but this one is in pink, and it's got all these little tiny seed beads and pearls all the way along the bottom. And there's a nice piece of that for you guys. You can see how big that is. It's a really nice piece. And in case you want to know, that would be 9.5 inches, that piece. But I love these pearls on the bottom. So pretty. This piece, also another gorgeous beaded piece. Absolutely beautiful with gold, and this is like a very soft peach color. And then it's got the little gold rhinestones in it. Really, really pretty. I absolutely love this piece. Everything is so sparkly. This is a very big piece, and oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. You could take this piece apart. This piece is, let me measure that. That is what, 10.5 inches. Oh, well, no, pardon me, it's not 10.5 inches. It is 14 inches long. I don't know why I thought it was 10.5. This piece is 14 inches long. You could take each one of these pieces off of here or use it whole. It's up to you. But look at these beautiful braided pieces on here. Look at the purple. It's so pretty. And then more of the orange tulle. I'm getting a new appreciation for orange lately. Absolutely beautiful big piece of sari. That would look gorgeous on the spine of a book, wouldn't it? Just so pretty. And then there is some embroidered pieces. This has, you'll get a piece that has at least 2 of these beautiful embroidered pieces on it, and they're in pinks and blues. And these are irregular shaped pieces. There wasn't much I could do about that, so, but they're beautiful. And then this piece I really love. This is burgundy velvet, and if you took this piece apart, you can see on the back here, you would have a really big piece of burgundy velvet, and you would also have a piece of gold lace underneath there, which is on the back. And then it's got this trim and then the gold trim, and look at these beautiful medallions. So sparkly and pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. This velvet is just such a deep, dark burgundy color. I love it. And then there is this piece, which will have 2 of these motifs on it in this beautiful sort of wrinkled, I think it's cotton, I would say. But it's got metallic thread in the middle here in the flowers, and then embroidered around the flowers. So you'll get 2 of those. You will get 2 of this motif. Nice big piece. So there's 2 of these, and these have little rhinestones in them. It's like a jade teal green color with gold and then the rhinestones. And like I said, there's 2 of those, and then you will get one of the bigger pieces to go with it. This is a gorgeous piece of silk. and it's sort of two-tone, but it has these little tiny gems in the centers here. One in green and one in red. So this beautiful piece of sari silk. Nice big piece. The pieces get a little bigger as we go along. There is this beautiful piece that is all embroidered. Gorgeous to cut out, make a pocket with. You could cut this flower out, take this piece off the end and use that for a boho bead if you wanted to. Lots of things. That almost looks like a bird there you could do something with. So very cool piece there. This is a beautiful piece as well. It is very fine silk, and it has all these little, and these are metal sequins, and then there will be a flower in, these are like metal seed beads, I want to say. Gorgeous with a little pink center. So there's a nice piece of that. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we get into some jewel tone pieces. This is a beautiful burgundy piece. Great for pockets. You can layer these up, you know, anything you wanted to do. I like to do this sometimes and layer pieces over top of other pieces. And then there is this beautiful gold piece, which I would say this piece is probably big enough to make the cover of a journal. Yeah, you could probably make a journal with that, and then decorate it with all the beautiful pieces. And then there is this piece, which I want to say is almost like a sunflower yellow. Gold. It's not yellow, it's gold, but I would call this like a sunflower gold because it's darker. You can see the difference between the two colors of gold. And then there is a beautiful piece of gold lace, which, look how beautiful this is when you layer it over top of the gold sari. That could be your cover right there. If you did that, and then where's that other piece? Oh, look at this, you guys. Put this on the front cover. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Just beautiful to layer, you know? Absolutely stunning. So there's that, and then I have a lovely piece of this navy, which would be great for pockets. Again, you could layer over top of that. Beautiful piece, and look at this beautiful purple. Gorgeous silk. I love this color. It's really nice. And then there is a beautiful eggplant colored tulle. Very unusual color you don't see very often. You can take these apart. You could just kind of unpick those if you wanted to, make flowers with them, all kinds of fun things. You could layer it over top of this piece. And then there's a nice big piece of this beautiful silk sari. I love this piece. And these are dimensional. You can feel the dimension of these circles. Some of them may have sequins in the white. They're very random on the sari, so some of you may get a sequin or two on the white part and some of you may not. So just letting you know about that. But that's gorgeous. I love this piece. This is another piece of beautiful silk. This is like green and like a red, and it's like a two-tone. Like when you move it, you can see the colors change. Like that's more green, and then when you move it, it's more burgundy red. And it's got this lovely little pattern on top of it as well. So again, this is more than enough to cover a journal. You could use that. I love the fringy ends here. So lots of fun there. And then there's another big piece of beautiful soft silk in a beautiful dark purple color. And then this piece of sari has some really pretty little rhinestones, gold rhinestones on it. can see them there. So they're random, but they are on there. There's 1, 2, 3, there's 5 of them on here. And this is a very pale peach color. Very pale. And then last but not least, there is a lovely piece of this pumpkin orange silk. Again, a nice unusual color, but something fun to play with that you could cut up, use to cover your beads, anything. So let me just go through all of these pieces again, so you can see there's a lot. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, plus the 10-inch beaded trim, plus the sari, plus the black ribbon, plus a handmade boho bead. So that is the kit. I hope you like it. The kit is $22 plus shipping. So please contact me if you're interested. My email will be in the description box. You can email me or you can leave a comment down below. I have 5 kits. And they're going to go fast, I think, but and of course I always add little free goodies as well. So this is a real good deal. There's tons here to work with and play with, and I'm hoping that I can maybe bring you a different kit like this maybe once a month, I'm hoping. So stay tuned for that. But that is this month's kit, and I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you're interested. Email me or leave a comment down below. First come, first serve as always. And I hope you guys like it. I think there's a good selection here that you can have fun with. Stay tuned for more, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.